Hello, today we are solving October 2024 paper, Unit 2, question number 1, Part F. Evaluate which type of cost, whether the fixed cost or the variable cost are easy to control. Okay, let's answer this question. So, what are the ways in which you are going to control the fixed cost? Okay, so first one is so the fixed cost, okay, you should understand what are the fixed costs. The fixed costs are going to be the management salaries. Okay, you will have management salaries, you will have premises rent, power, interest rates on bank loan. Okay, interest rate which is charged on the bank loan to be paid. Then you will have the depreciation charges, okay, for the assets, okay, for any assets owned. So these are going to be the fixed cost. Okay, it will always have the fixed cost portion. So the ways to which in which you are going to control the fixed costs are going to be like this. Okay, it is like you can set the management salaries. For the salaries, you will say that whether the managers will be willing to work for that salaries, and can you change it according to the as per the business requirement. Then is it possible, it may be possible for the PLC to negotiate with the owners of the premises to fix a monthly rent charge. You can negotiate and fix a monthly rent charge. Then you can also see that you can negotiate a price for the power you are going to use. Okay, and you can talk to your power supplier at a national level to reduce the price. And it may be possible to negotiate with the bank any interest charged for the loans. And you can also determine, okay, whether it is the length of the non-current life asset, and thus thereby you will control in your depreciation charges. So these are the fixed charges for the month that needs to be negotiated, and therefore you can say I can negotiate and control these charges. Now let's understand the variable cost. Okay, what are the variable costs you have in this PLC? The variable cost we are going to see is for the inventory. Okay, one we saw where it was for the inventory. Then we also saw for the direct labor, and we also saw for the wage rate. Okay, wages paid, okay, rate. So now you can negotiate on the wages rate, labor rate, okay, for some amount of agreed rate, and that's then you will be able to control the variable cost. You can also negotiate with the suppliers for the material cost, and you can fix the price of raw materials. So these are the ways in which I'm going to control the variable cost. So in conclusion, you can say that it is much easier to control the variable cost than the fixed cost.